Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write 10-line essay on the topic the state Mizoram. This video also covers the topic 10 lines on my state Mizoram. Let's get started. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Line number 1. Mizoram is one of the 7 sister states in the northeast of India. Line number 2 is, it is a mountainous state and full of natural scenery. The next line or line number 3 is, the term mizo means the men who live in the hills or the highlanders. Line number 4 is, Mizos are agriculturists that practice jhum cultivation. Line number 5 is, they are fond of music and dance and have a strong community feeling. The next line, that is line number 6 is, its economy depends on forest products, silkworms, tourism and horticulture. Next line, Aizawl is the state capital. Line number 8 is, most people in Mizoram speak Mizo. Line number 9 is the literacy rate is the second highest in the country. The last line is, it has evergreen hills and dense bamboo jungles.